Hey guys, Richard Constable here. Today we're going to be learning about the A major scale. What's great about this scale is that you can move it on every single fret of the fretboard. So even though we're doing it on the 5th fret, which is A, we're going to start on A and finish on A, we're going to do 2 octaves. We can shift it, let's just say to the 3rd fret. So if a song is in G and you need to play the G major scale over it for a little lick or a little jam, whatever it is, you can use the same shape but on the 3rd fret. If it's a C major, you can do it on the 8th. If it's a D, on the 10th, or F on the 1st, for example. Going over 4 frets from the 6th string all the way to the 1st, I recommend using all 4 fingers for each of those frets. It makes it much easier when you start to speed up. So if you get it right when you're doing it slow, makes it a lot easier when you speed up. Okay, so we're going to start with our 2nd finger on the 5th fret of the 6th string, which is an A note. We're then going to use our little finger for the 7th fret, and that's a B note. We then move to our C sharp, which is the 4th fret of the 5th string, using our 1st finger. Then we go to our D note, which is the 5th fret of the 5th string. So then we use our 2nd finger for that bit. So let's just go over those notes: A, B, C sharp and D, and let's loop it, play it a few times until you feel comfortable going up and down those 4 notes. Brilliant, well done. So part 2, we're going to go from the D to the E, F sharp, G sharp and A. So the D, we started on our 2nd finger, which is the 5th fret of the 5th string, using our 2nd finger. Then we use our 4th finger for the E, which is the 7th fret, and we go to our F sharp, which is the 4th fret of the 4th string, 1st finger. G sharp, use your 3rd finger for that, that's the 6th fret of the 4th string. And finish on the A, that's using your little finger for the A. Part 3, we're going to start on the A, which is our 7th fret of the 4th string, using our little finger, our 4th finger. Then we're going to go to our B, which is using our 1st finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. Then just like we did here, we went A, B, C sharp. So let's find our C sharp down here. So A, B, C sharp. So that's the 6th fret, using our 3rd finger of the 3rd string. Then we need our D. A, B, C sharp, and then D. So that's the 7th fret, using our 4th finger on the 3rd string. So let's play that going up and down. If it helps, say the notes as you're going to try and memorize them at the same time. A, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A. Okay, well done. So we ended up on the D. Part 4. So just like we did in the lower octave, D, E, F sharp and G sharp, and then finish on the A. We need to do the same thing on the lower octave of the strings. So higher in pitch but lower on the strings here. So we find our D, which is 7th fret here of the 3rd string. Then need to find our F sharp. We need to find our E, F sharp, G sharp and A. So our E is the 5th fret of the 2nd string. So use your 2nd finger for that. Then use your pinky for the 7th fret of the 2nd string. G sharp, 4th fret of the 1st string using our 1st finger, and then finish with our 2nd finger on the A. So we've got our D, E, F sharp, G sharp and A. So let's play that a few times. So this is putting octave 1 and 2 together, and we'll start from the 5th fret of the 6th string. Okay, thanks for watching. That's been the A major scales with richcguitar.com. Check us out. Please subscribe and share and like with all your friends. That'd be brilliant. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, take care. Bye.